Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be challenging myself to study for 3 hours without taking any break. So our today's lunch is pizza with jadoo ka pitara. What else can you expect in a law student's cupboard? So gifted me the Pratima of Saraswati ji on my birthday and another day, dewy leaves and a perfect morning. So how are you all guys? Hope you all are doing great. As you can see my table, there is a slight change in my table. I have changed the color of the light. Now it is warm yellow and it gives warmth to my table, my surrounding, to me, and I feel very good studying in this environment. I am a kind of girl who likes changes in my life, so I always opt for doing some of the changes to my surroundings, my things, my all the things I use. I keep on changing things so that I may not get bored easily and I may stick to what I'm doing right now. This is a study challenge of 3 hours. Along with it, I'll show you how I manage my cupboard, the messy cupboard, and today I'll be challenging myself to study for 3 hours without taking any break. As you can see, I'm starting off with a mild difficult subject and I'll be continuously studying the same subject for 3 hours. Quite boring as it sounds, but not so boring if you take breaks after each 15 minutes. I must suggest you that if you are doing or studying any subject, then you must complete the desired goal of the day, without which you won't be able to get the satisfaction of what you are studying. So do complete the goal, even if it takes 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. Do complete what you have desired, remembering why you have made the goal. Many of you have asked me that how I managed to prepare my notes while studying. It is really very easy if you follow two conditions. Those two conditions are revising what you have studied after the completion of the study session. For example, I am studying for 3 hours. I need to revise all what I studied after the 3 hours for 10 minutes or 20 minutes as you feel necessary. And also before going to bed, you need to revise what you have studied. You don't necessarily have to sit on the table and open your books to revise what you have studied. You just need to go to the bed. Keep yourself dedicated to what you have studied in the morning. Revise like in this case this happened, in this section this was mentioned, the conditions were this. Just a slight recalling session of 5 minutes is required before going to bed so that you may remember it forever. This makes it easy for us to pave way for writing notes along with studying. These 3 minutes of talking actually covered 2 hours of my study. That's cool. The third hour is about to start and I've taken no break in the 2 hours. Wish me good luck for completing the last hour without any break. So guys, I want to tell you, whenever I sit to study, I just ask everybody in the house to not to come near my table as I'm studying. But my mother, my so caring mother, just kept the bowl with khajur, with the dates, and I'm going to eat those dates while studying. So guys, it's 8:15 and I am about to finish up the last hour in 45 minutes. And after that I'll show you how I'll clean my messy cupboard. It's been so long since I just touched the areas of my cupboard which remain untouched, and I'll be cleaning it today. I was planning to clean it since very long, but I couldn't clean it as I was lethargic, and I won't say that I didn't get time. I had a lot of time, but I felt lethargic and I didn't wanted to take off all my books and put it back in the same manner and clean the area. So I just decided not to do anything, but today is the day I will do it for you all. So guys, after studying, I just felt like going out and enjoying and eating something tasty. So our today's lunch is pizza with chow mein. Oh my god, I think I should see the pronunciation of chow mein correctly in the Google. How do you call it? Chow mein, or chow mein? Here comes my amazing, fantastic, beautiful cupboard. So as you can see, the behind is covered with a sheet of plastic because of the dampness in the rainy season. To avoid the dampness to reach my books, I just applied this sheet of plastic with tape. Now I am just removing all my rows, columns of books and notebooks to come out of the cupboard. The laziest work in the world. A diary, a notebook, a broken piece of cardboard which I used to keep pens, and my old ID card. I miss my school. You can see a tag of Sparky kept inside. Actually, I have a collection of so many tags. I don't know why, but I collect tags. Whenever I buy new clothes, I just keep the tags away in an area where I collect them. Now I will pull up this sheet and you will see a Jadoo Ka Pitara. Here comes the invitation pass. This is basically my favorite invitation pass, which was organized by the students in a hotel, and it was a memorable day for me, for everybody present there. I couldn't forget that day ever. Envelope you see contains all the invitation cards which were for my parents, sent by the school whenever I participated in any of the competitions, interstate or inter-school. I just cleaned this area. Now comes the time to organize my table. I'm really sorry, my cupboard. Actually, it happened that an uncle visited our home and he just bought a pile of calendars for us, and I was not sure of using it. Therefore, I'm using it right here, and this is the best place to use it. And I will cover the background part with all these white calendars. Of course, not the white calendars, but the back side of the calendars, which is totally white, and I can utilize those calendars. You should learn utilizing old and unused things in a useful way. Since I have no other tape, I have to use masking tape. I know you all have seen me putting that masking tape. I am changing the whole appearance of my cupboard. Earlier I kept my books in rows and columns, but right now I am just keeping them as in it is kept in a shelf in a longitudinal way, all together, all the books one after the other, so that I may see which one I have to use, and with the name I can just figure out and take them out. Books you can see over here are social subjects. What else can you expect in a law student's cupboard? So I have decided to divide the cupboard in two parts. Of course, not a physical division, but a division in my mind, that on the left hand side I'll be keeping my academic books, and on the right hand side I'll keep all my leisure books, like novels, books that I read less, including the psychology books, autobiographies of great personalities, and some of the magazines as well. A short painting of mine. All the people who are following me on Instagram must have seen this painting, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can follow. The username is there on the screen. A Chetan Bhagat novel on the top. I will tell you about the novels in a separate video. If you want that video, you can comment down below. I will surely make a video for you all showing my novel collection, or I will add a short clip of the novel collection in any of my study vlogs. It seems my cupboard is about to get filled soon. All the law books inside, my diaries are already kept there, the law dictionary, contract book, and also the 3 books of sample question papers, the magazines. The black one is a diary where I keep all my photos and all this stuff I like from here and there, like from the magazines, from the newspapers, and whatever wherever I see something interesting, I just keep a cutting of it inside the diary. Do you remember the last day of your school, guys? Everybody was passing the diaries from here and there. People were writing about you. You were writing about theirs, and you made your sign in the end, writing, "I will come to your marriages. I will. Do not forget to invite me." It was a memorable day for us all. I keep reminding myself of those days, and whenever I read the diary, of course, all the things come to my mind once again. The memories hovering in your mind every time you take up the diary in your hands. All the other stationery items are already there inside the cupboard in that pen stand sort of thing. That is not a pen stand, it is a hard cardboard in which I got my watch. So I'm just using that again. The cupboard is incomplete without her, Saraswati ji. My father gifted me the Pratima of Saraswati ji on my birthday, and I keep it in my cupboard since then. She looks so pretty in this dress now. The color is blue, which is also my favorite color, the glossy blue. Thank you so much everybody for watching my video till here. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe my channel if you are new to it, and don't forget to hit the like button. And I'm going to ask a question. Do answer the question in the comment box below.